Hey, have you ever wanted to trap your friends in a Minecraft survival world, let's say, but you don't know how to make redstone devices? Well, today I'll show you how to make this super simple redstone device, and it works super well. See, your friend might come walking along, and they'll see this, and they'll decide to step on it, and bam, they're trapped. See, they think they can walk out? No, they're trapped. You can't get out of here. You can't run out of here either. The pistons are just too fast. The only way to get out is if you break through it. And I'll show you how to make this. Alright, so to make this device, I used 4 redstone, 4 pressure plates, 4 oak fences, 4 sticky pistons, and 32 oak planks. So if you're feeling a little clever and think you can do some redstone, you can switch this up. You can make it into different stuff. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. But today I'm going to show you how to make what I just made over there. So to start, I'm going to make a 4x4 hole in the ground, and I'll put the redstone there. And then I'm going to, hey, I need more sticky pistons. Sorry about that. I'm going to put these 8 sticky pistons down here. Just like that. So, you see this? Alright. And then I'm going to put the wood on the floor just like this. And now I'm going to put the wood over this. See, and then I'm going to put the 4 pressure plates right there. So you got it just like this. You got the trap. Now you're stuck in here, but you can just hop on out, right? So that's why you're going to have to make a roof that is too high. If you make it 3 high, they'll just be able to jump out. So I'm going to do that right now. Just like that. See? Now you're stuck in here, can't get out. And there you go. That's how you make a simple redstone trap. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, more tutorials, or for other stuff. I do a lot of coding. And have a great day.